Khasi Authors Society, after orchestrating a national seminar in New Delhi recently championing the incorporation of the Khasi language into the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, has now set its sights on engaging with Union Home Minister Amit Shah's office. They seek an update on the status of the memorandum they presented on January 21, 2021. The president of the Khasi Authors Society, Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait, revealed today that their initial attempt to meet the Union Home Minister during the memorandum submission proved unsuccessful. They were eventually granted an audience on September 24, 2023, in the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to delve deeper into the matter. Nonglait emphasized that the inquiry into the status of the previous memorandum dating back to 2021 stems from a noticeable lack of response from the Union Home Ministry's office concerning the pressing demand for the inclusion of the Khasi language into the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
Sarkar India kan simno mardor yaki sinjam ban penkre ban wanra ya ni onka andra oma yaka bill apo parliament haka sinsyong dorbar jong parliament kabat sawan naga long kloy kat no ne khamslem rei ni ongba ka dei ban wanra no yaka bill nakalian sinsya official bill nakalian jang sarkar parliament hadinika sinsyong dorbar jang parliament kaban sadong ikawai pat ban submit ya ka thop jingpen bian jingten ka documentation but ni la submit ye kini kedai ka documentation kaba ni layo ban submit bro center ni ai yeki dorkas lamdama ye kaban bu sijaka yeki thop jingte baro rei Khasi Authors Society da ka jing presitam ni lapu yeki khat kiba don ke jing tebet kiba kerpan ban lum ban lang yekini ringkat bat ki sabot ki jing pen sisa lani ki justifications but kien jongi kalau long kabar ladai por laslam badrum no apo kelet bakra tinggal yo ban submit ya kan ya but ka bakado basau kalong ban up ya ka jawab jong ka sarkar hapo kapor kabangi ladawa nimla banbu ya kapor Hendrai hapo kapur bangila dawa kabamati swa jongka dorbar parliament kaban session bat ladangim yo ke jiba ngin sa penong da kiwai pat kilat jingeki kilat jingdawa jingya ta ti yakini kirai ringkat bat kijing penken mau yeki babon ki ki jingyat nanti jong ni di dawa ringkat bat ki jingyat ho sithi apne ka home ministry ki jingyat kendo da ka bangilat da ka kanhon sa Delhi bat kumjuru ane Shillong ni lara ya ki dorkas ki batmai ringkat bat ki kot kisla ki ba ni rasulan agar kharsoni bandej ai sya ka office jong o Minister Kampoyen mengabatu General Secretary Dr. Alpi Khasi nanta Shaka Office Jonggu Prime Minister but kumjuru Shaka Office Jongka President Jongkari but menen nila la bende ya kata but ka receive copy ka bangi ayo kini kidai ki bala receive Lagi tu lightly ki office kata jongko Union Home Minister Prime Minister but President John Kerry